Impasto means that your paint is really thick. You can either pre-mix your values in your palette, or you can kind of do them as you go. You could just go ahead and use your palette knife for impasto painting rather than a paintbrush, but I like using them both. Alright, so on my value scale, this is my darkest area. I'm going to just put red in there because red is my darkest color for this. Paint's really thick, and again, I could just use my palette knife. Alright, I'm going to go in with my lighter one. So I am starting with my white and I'm adding my color to it. Just a reminder, that's really important. It's easy to get darker, but it's really difficult to get lighter. So I'm just going to go in here and put it in there. And if I want them to blend, I could do something like this. Kind of go back and forth. See it. It's okay. New with this movie thing, right? Remember last try?
2 tries ago. This was hilarious. Blooper reel. It was pretty lit.
You okay, guys?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, anyway. Moving across, you get lighter and lighter. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to make a sphere. So start with something circle-ish, and you're going to use really thick paint.
Why are you painting on cardboard?
It's what I pulled out of the trash in order to do this.
Oh, that's alright.
You know,
That's valid.
I mean, this is just a sketch. It's not going to be like a finished, pretty painting. But you can see that this technique they're not like perfectly smooth marks. I really am showing the brush strokes. Van Gogh style. Alright, since I am working on a sphere, I'm going around with my brush strokes. So I'm not going straight side to side or up and down. I'm making circular motions. And you can use your paper towel and be neater with this. I'm in a rush. Don't forget your cast shadow on the surface. Cast shadows are darker when they're closer to the object, and the cast shadow can be straight. On the sphere, I did round marks, but on the cast shadow, I can do straight marks because the table is a flat thing. You can even just mix your paints right on your canvas for this. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see that in the video, but
Probably
the
not.
paint is so thick that it like sticks up. It's like little mountains right here. It is. It's like gooey.
I mean, okay.
Got it?
Yeah,
We're
we
good?
got it.
We're
Yeah,
good.
we're good.
Okay.